but as you can see, the sun is coming up. See, there's so many holes, guys. Look how much our feet sinks. Look at this, pure sand. Hey guys, good morning. Well, actually night if you look at it. It's currently around 2 a.m. Me and my boy here have to wake up so freaking early, 2 a.m. because the Kelso dunes is like 2 hours or 2 hours and 20 from here, and if we wanna be on the dune when the sunrise hits, then we gotta be, we gotta be there. So when we arrive there, it's gonna be nighttime, but we do have flashlights. I have one here, so let's go. Alright guys, we have arrived at our location. Here you go, Kelso Dunes. We got delayed by multiple reasons. One, when we were checking out, there was like someone or a group of guys like holding up the line. Freaking 2 a.m. man. And then Google was directing us to a road that's apparently closed. So that added like 25 minutes to our drive. So anyways, here's the trail. We were supposed to be going up here in darkness, but as you can see, the sun is coming up. So we wanted to avoid the sun going up, and we wanted to see the sunrise when we're up there. So I guess that's not happening anymore. Should be an easy one, at least for a bit. And then when we start going up, then yeah, it does get pretty hard. Because man, look at that. It looks small, but when you're up there, man, we're not gonna say, oh, it looks small anymore. Looks can be deceiving, guys. Anyway, here's my boy right here. Hey, what's up?
What's up? I'm looking for snakes.
Hey, there we go. We had to forego a lot of sleep just for this hike, guys, so hope you guys appreciate that. All right, let's go. We gotta be on the lookout for snakes, because yeah, he's right, they do kind of disappear on the sand. So the road we're walking on is not really pure sand yet. It just looks like I'm on a beach, but look at that. See that? My feet does sink a bit. It does make the hiking a little bit harder because of that. What an amazing view though. And then I think people go up and down right there. I'm sure you guys were wondering what my breakfast was. Tillamook jerky. Look at that, there's holes.
Bro, there's a lizard hidden.
Hold on. Look at that, see? There's so many holes, guys. I wonder what those holes are. Oh man, look how much. It's like my feet is sinking halfway. We're getting to the sandy part now, guys. Like very sandy part. The sand is slowing us down, bro. Cause like your one step is like there's like a half a second additional. Cause your feet has to go like shh, shh. The good news is it looks like we're halfway, but it's all sand now. Oh wow, bro. Hold up. Look how much our feet sinks. Yeah, guys. While we're walking, we keep there's like web that we can't see, but we do feel it with our skin. Oh boy, you can see how much I'm slowed down by the sand. I was confident earlier when it wasn't sand yet, but now it's wow, I don't know. That's okay. We can do this, guys. Nice views though, look at that. Sheesh. And then sun. This is a good thing there's that mountain there. That mountain there is still blocking the sun for us. So I think we can still reach the top before the sun fully comes out. So we're officially at the halfway point, as you can see. Man, I'm so tired. Walking on sand takes a lot of you, bro. You're working twice or 3 times as hard. Anyways, we're officially at the start of the hike up. As you can see, it's a gradual slope. I think it goes like that, and then we go up there. Yeah, so it's like flies, man. Why do the insects evolve to be flies, man? Come on, they do contribute nothing but just be annoying. Yo, what the heck is that? Is that a dung beetle? First time I've seen that. There's like a fly, they just won't stop bothering us. It's not even big, it's like a small fly, bro. Like, my goodness. The sun is out. That's where we came from, right there. Oh, it's so far. And then, I mean, it looks close. It's just right there, and then the freaking fly, man. The hike's already hard, and the fly's just making it harder. But hey, you know, if you guys hike here, make sure you have insect repellent. Otherwise, it's just gonna be swatting your face the whole time. That's a kind of annoying insect a fly is. They make you slap yourself, make you make fun of yourself for no reason, you know? Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. Anyways, yeah, the sun is out. It's not good. The whole point that we came here very early is to avoid the sun. Like, we're supposed to be looking at a sunrise, so that's not an option anymore. So keep going forward into dawn. As you know, we can reach it, guys. Don't worry. Slow and steady wins the race. Let's go. Look at this. Whoa, nice. My shadow looks cool. Dang. And there's my boy over there. He's a very fast walker. Meanwhile, your boy over here is struggling, guys. Really need to lose some weight. Woo! But man, look at the look how picturesque this place is. Oh my goodness. Except the flies keep going to my face, but there's the sun. Oh my goodness. And that's where we came from. See the road right there? Doubt you can see it, but anyways. Hey, Paul Atreides, let's go. Oh my goodness. We wanted to do, you know, in the trailer where Paul like climbed up the hill and then he raised his knife, you know. We wanted to do that pose, but maybe when we're up there it's possible. So let's continue on. Look at this, guys. Yo, wow, we're all on the top of one of the, I think one of the big dunes, and I'm sliding, guys. Sliding easily. Hold on. Look at that. Right. This is the trail here. Ooh, that's quite a drop. And wow, look at the nature here, guys. Hey, wow. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Oh boy. All right, let's go. But the hardest part of the climb, essentially going to the top, the peak. And because look at this, pure sand. See that? So every step I do, look at this. Whoa. Every step I do, guys, it's just goes into the freaking sand, making this hike 10 times worse than it actually is. So you know, it's very close, so it's just right there and then right there. All right, let's go, guys. Look at this. Oh, the crap. My feet is literally full of sands. But we did it, guys. It's scary because you're like balancing on top of the sand dunes, so yeah, and the sun is just, it's too hot, guys. All right, I'm gonna take a rest first. All right, guys, we're going back now. This is as high as we can go because look, one small step and it does that. And as you can see, we only got like halfway through, and like one small step is just like we're sliding down already. So yeah, it's very scary. Like the top part is a very fine sand, and we don't know how far we're gonna go down if we do go down. So we're just gonna go back now. It was an awesome view anyways. Look at this. Hey, exactly. Hey, look at that. Woo, wow. Yeah, anyways, let's go back to the car, then we'll continue on with the journey. Let's go. Another awesome shot right here. Look at that. Whew. Wow, just amazing. I guess we'll make our way there. We'll go here. New land right here. Whew. Let's go. So hot, guys. So hot. Sun's up there. Oh my goodness. No wonder people do this. It does help with the heat. Hey guys, what's up? Man, yeah, I almost died on that hike, bro. That was one of the hardest hike I've probably ever done. So the issue was the sun is way too hot, and the heat just takes, you know, energy, you know, from you. And the second issue was when we got close to the peak, it was such sharp, like what's the like a triangle.
Yeah.
And every time you step, your feet just like digs into the sand for like 2 feet.
The sand starts falling.
Yeah, exactly. And it's like this. It's like this thin, literally. So imagine you're on top, and there's like, you know, 100-foot drop if you fall on either side too. So we just went halfway. He actually got really close to the top. I'm like,
start sliding.
yeah, and he just starts sliding back and, you know, left and right, and you know, yeah. So we're like, okay, you know what, this is good enough. We got to like the hill before the highest peak. So you know, I think that's pretty good, you know. So I wish we were able to get there like even earlier. It just didn't work out, so unfortunately, as you can see, we're just drained. Well, anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Cheers.
Oh.